So picture this. Your company just deployed, a fleet of autonomous AI agents.
Right, which is a pretty common scenario right now.
Exactly. But by lunch, one of them gets caught in a logic loop and just starts burning through thousands of dollars in server costs per minute.
Oh, man. Which is just a total...
A literal nightmare. So the big question for you is, who is actually watching the AI? Today, we are figuring out how we manage and secure our automated workforce.
It's such an important topic.
It really is. And as always, I was scrolling the AIagentstore.ai website page today, just looking for how teams are solving this. And I landed on a tool called 24Observe.
Oh, right. Yeah, 24Observe. I mean, they are operating in a space that is becoming absolutely critical right now.
Definitely.
It basically acts as an AI-driven security operations center and, well, a network operations center, too. It pulls together your uptime data, logs, metrics, and your SIEM into a single brain.
Wait, SIEM, just to clarify, that's
Yeah.
security information and event management, right? It's
Right.
system logging threats.
Exactly, yeah. So it takes all those separate streams and unifies them.
Okay, let's unpack this a bit. Because the page notes a 77% autonomy level.
Yeah, that's a big number.
Right. That sounds suspiciously high for something managing a live production environment. How is it actually achieving that without, just breaking things?
Well, it builds what they call an operational context graph. So instead of just registering an isolated error code, it actually maps out the live relationships.
Oh, like the relationships between your servers and software?
Yeah, exactly. Your servers, your software services, even user identities. So if a database crashes, the AI traces that map backwards.
Ah, I see.
Yeah, it can see that maybe a specific microservice updated 3 minutes prior and caused a memory leak.
So rather than a generic alarm bell just ringing continuously, it acts more like an automated flight data recorder.
That is a great way to put it, actually.
Like it instantly pieces together the timeline of the crash and just hands you the flight path to fix it.
Yeah, and the real trick is that it produces a fully cited root cause verdict, complete with actionable next steps in literally seconds.
Wow, seconds.
Yeah, and it shows you its math, so you don't have to just blindly trust the AI.
See, but here's where I have to push back a little bit. Does this actually cure alert fatigue?
What do you mean?
Well, if I have a system constantly investigating things and writing up these detailed verdicts, isn't that just spamming my IT team with massive automated essays instead of short alerts?
Oh, right. Yeah, that would be terrible. But that's actually why it changes the alerting architecture entirely.
Okay, how so?
So instead of triggering a separate notification for, every single failed ping or CPU spike, the system clusters those related anomalies into one single case.
Ah, so you aren't getting 50 individual emails.
Exactly. You get one consolidated incident report outlining the core failure. It's fully investigated already.
That makes a lot more sense. It's like treating the disease rather than yelling about every individual symptom.
Precisely. And the symptoms it's looking for are evolving rapidly. I mean, the most urgent application for this platform right now is actually monitoring other AI agents.
Okay, here is where it gets really interesting. Using AI to babysit other AI.
Yeah, because when you give an AI agent access to your production environment, entirely new attack vectors open up.
Right, obviously.
So 24Observe monitors the behavioral patterns of those agents.
Meaning, like, if an AI assistant suddenly gets hit with a prompt injection.
Yes, exactly. Say it attempts to export an entire customer database. 24Observe recognizes that behavioral anomaly because it falls outside the normal context graph.
And it just flags it.
Exactly.
Or even like the runaway tulip we mentioned earlier.
Yeah.
If an agent gets stuck requesting the same expensive API call 1,000 times a second.
Right. This system spots the token and cost abuse before it bankrupts your department.
Which is a lifesaver.
Truly. Plus, from a deployment standpoint, they've designed it to fit really tight compliance needs. It operates on a freemium model.
Always nice.
Yeah, but the key is that it supports self-hosted or fully air-gapped environments. You can run this oversight layer completely disconnected from the public internet.
Which is essential if it's holding the keys to your entire infrastructure.
Absolutely.
So what does this all mean for you as you build out your own tech stacks? It leaves us with a pretty provocative question to ponder.
Ew, I love these.
If an AI is the one investigating your network outages and producing a cited verdict, what happens when it gets it wrong during a major compliance audit?
Ooh, that's tough.
Right. Who takes the legal fall? The human who trusted the 77% autonomy, or the automated detective?
Yeah, we are moving into completely uncharted territory with machine accountability.
Definitely something to mull over before you hand over the keys to the kingdom. Remember to check out the listing for yourself over at AIAgentStore.ai. Thank you so much for rating the podcast, and we'll catch you next time.